If ogbono soup is your favorite, then gather here. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. For this ogbono soup, one of the key ingredients is the crayfish. I'm going to begin by adding some water to the crayfish so that the dirt settle at the base while the crayfish floats to the top. Then I'm going to separate the crayfish from the dirt just by doing this till I clean it properly. Next, I'm going to add in some peppers. I'm using a combination of yellow peppers and red pepper. Then I'm going to add some onion, enough onion, then half dawadawa and 1 ogiri opei, and blend. One thing I normally do is that I batch cook meat and I store it in the freezer and I use it whenever I want to make soups. That way it saves me time and stress. Now I'm just going to add in the blended ingredients to the meat. Then I'm going to add in enough water that will be enough for this soup. This is what they call ogbono. This is the grinded one already from the market, but if you have the ones with seed, then you can process it at home. Just grind it with your spice blender or go to the market and blend it. I'm going to take about 6 to 7 tablespoons of this. I'm going to put it in the plate. Then I'm going to add in some palm oil and mix properly. What this will actually do is that it's going to prevent your soup from developing lumps, because ogbono develops lumps easily. But you can still choose to add it directly to your pot of soup if you want, but I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to mix it and just place the whole plate in the pot of soup, cover it up and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes till it dissolves. But if you still believe that this is kind of unhealthy, you can pop this into your microwave for about 1 minute to 2 minutes, then bring it out and mix. My vegetable of choice today is bitter leaf. You can choose to use ugu, spinach, kale or any other veggie of your choice, but bitter leaf slaps well with this. After about 10 minutes, I'm going to check on what is on fire. Then I'm just going to take out the plate from the boiling soup. Then I'm going to mix everything well combined before I now pour it back into the pot of soup and give it a proper mix. If you feel that this step is too lengthy, then you can choose to add in your palm oil before the soup start boiling. Then you add in the ogbono, the dry ogbono. But I must warn you that it might develop lumps, so you should go with this process. Well, it's up to you. Then I'm going to mix this properly to combine. Then I'm going to put on medium to low heat and allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes because ogbono needs a lot of time to cook. This was 16 minutes later. The ogbono was beginning to burn already. I just gave it a quick stir, then I tasted to adjust the seasoning. I only needed 1 seasoning cube because my meat was well seasoned. If you want to see how I season meat, then I cook meat for soups rather, then I have a video on that on my channel. Then I'm going to add in my bitter leaves. Bitter leaves is a hard vegetable. It's not like ugu or other veggies. It needs a lot of time to cook as well, so give it about 12 to 15 minutes to cook properly. If you've been watching to this point and your heart prompts you to subscribe to my channel, then why not hit the subscribe button, like this video and turn on the bell notification so that you can be one of the first people to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So after about 13 minutes, the vegetable is well cooked, everything is ready and ready to serve. Any swallow of your choice pairs perfectly well with this, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this recipe. Thank you all for staying to this point, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.